In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove beauty mode on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the camera app, and next you should notice at the top of the screen this beauty mode icon. So tap on that. Then you should see two options, filters and face. So to turn off this beauty mode option, simply tap on the off button here and it will be turned off. Then you want to turn off filters as well, so select filters and then go to the option that says original. You'll notice it's the original because it won't have this slider at the bottom of the screen allowing you to adjust. So if you're in an option like this one, for example, just look for the option original and you won't see a slider, meaning it is the original format. When you're happy with that, just tap on done, and as you can see, beauty mode is no longer glowing a yellow color. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.